This is activity 2.1 on page 29, creating a text box. The file we'll be using is the poster document. You have started developing a poster for a fundraising event and have several elements you need to add. You will start by adding some text to a logo image. Rather than writing the text directly within the document area, it will be easier to position precisely where you want it if you place it in a text box. So I'm going to start by opening up my document. I'm going to launch Word 2019, and from the landing page, select Open Other Documents. Click my Browse button, and I'm going to navigate to my home drive. Scroll down to Word Part 3, and this is Lesson 2, which is titled Using Custom Graphic Elements. And again, the file we want is poster. Select that and click Open. You want to make sure that your document is shown in Print Layout view. So just on your View tab, in your Views group, make sure that Print Layout is selected. We're going to go to our Insert tab, and in our text group, we are going to select the text box drop-down. And we want to insert the simple text box. So you can see mine is shown as the first option here. I'm going to click on that, and it drops the text box directly on top of, if you have graphics there, it's going to drop it directly on top of anything there. And our text is automatically highlighted, so we're going to overwrite this with "of Green City, Richland." Number 2, format the text box, text wrap, and positioning options. You want to make sure that your text box is still selected, and we're going to click on our Layout Options button to the right of our text box. And down in our With Text Wrapping section, we want to select In Front of Text. So mine is my last option. Just hover over to get that screen tip to make sure that you're choosing the correct text wrapping option. And we want to position the text box so it appears in front of the Building with Heart logo. So mine's already there, so I can just leave it. You can see it's on top of my heart icon there. And from our layout options box, we also want to select Fix Position on Page, and this will anchor the text box on our page for us. So we're going to select that radio button at the bottom, and then we can close our layout options box. Number 3, format the text box's style. With your text box still selected, we're going to go up to our Drawing Tools Format Contextual tab, and in our Shape Styles command group, we're going to hit our More button to display our gallery. In our Presets section, I'm going to scroll down, we want to select Transparent Black Dark 1. So that is my first option, and I'm going to click to apply that preset. Letter D, drag across the text of Green City, Richland to select it. I'm going to just move this out of the way a little bit so I can actually see the text. So I want to click to select my text in the text box. And I'm going to go up to my Home tab. And in my font group, I'm going to change my font color in standard colors to red. And with that text still selected, I'm going to bold it out as well. Number 4, we're now going to position our text box. You can hit your escape key to deselect the text, but it's still going to have that text box selected. and we want to position it as it's shown on page 31. So I'm going to click and drag this so it looks like just after the G in Building with Heart, just below that, and we can position our text box right about there. Doesn't have to be exact. And then we're going to do a Save As on our document. I'm going to go to File, Save As, save it to my current folder using custom graphic elements. And we're going to update our file name to My Poster. You can see our title bar updates for our document name, and we can leave this open for our next activity.